Whew, boy. Alright, time to drag some of this shit out of the shed and see what broke over the winter while it was stored in the shed. Because I'm out of feed and there's something to cut in the field. Let's see what happens. Oh there, got some grease in the PTO shaft. Still got to check the gearbox. Then I remembered it's been a day, or all of them. So you can see in here, there's that's a standard U-joint. That's the last standard U-joint before it connects to the Kuhn cutter bar. And then there, that off down there. There we go. There, back here. And that one is metric, and I've replaced that once before. And yeah, that yoke is back down. That yoke is splines on both halves are pretty worn. One day I was going to get some, but yeah, I have not. But I greased it, so it's not going to fail, right? Or